So wait, don't nobody want they bread like this, my boy. Look at that shit, boy. Look at that shit. Look at that shit, bro. Look at that shit, man. Look like bees gonna start coming out this motherfucker in a minute, man. Fuck wrong with y'all, nigga, man. Look, shit is communion bread, man. Come on, so wait. Get your shit together, subby. Look at that. Nigga, don't nobody want no bread like that, bro. Come on, John. Get a new pro. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Come on, subby. Y'all niggas tripping, dog. Get right, bro. Get the fuck right, bro.